Welcome to Santa's Workshop TV, where Christmas cheer is made right here. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, my friends. Today, we're talking about something very special, the Xmas Nativity Set. It's not just decoration. It tells the story of the very first Christmas night. Long ago, in a quiet stable in Bethlehem, a baby named Jesus was born. Mary and Joseph watched over him. Shepherds came to see, and wise men followed a shining star. That's what each little figure in the Nativity reminds us of: love, peace, and hope. When you pick a nativity set, think about what makes it special to you. Some are made of wood, some porcelain, some even light up, big or small, simple or fancy. Each one shares the same beautiful story. And if you want to make Christmas extra special, try creating your own. Use clay, paper, felt, or even twigs and paint. It's fun for the whole family and fills your home with Christmas cheer. Whether you buy one or make one, your Christmas nativity set is a beautiful way to remember what Christmas is all about: love, giving, and joy. So let it shine bright and share its story with everyone you love. Ho, ho, ho. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until we meet again, stay jolly, be good, and keep the spirit alive all year long.